Desert ghost ball python. These incredible serpents possess almost magical color-changing abilities as they grow, transforming from dusky brown babies into glowing ghostly adults with supernatural camouflage powers. Desert ghost ball pythons can squeeze with a force of over 90 pounds, allowing them to constrict prey much larger than their own heads. Their special heat-sensing pits act like night vision goggles, detecting the tiniest temperature differences in complete darkness, making them ultimate night hunters. And most amazing for kids learning about reptiles, these snakes can go months without eating a single meal. Unlike other snake species, desert ghost ball pythons possess extraordinary patience, waiting motionless for hours to ambush their prey with lightning-fast strikes. Their flexible jaws disconnect to swallow food 3 times the size of their own heads. These trending pythons can live up to 30 years in captivity, making them one of the longest living pets for kids interested in reptiles. These fascinating snakes originally come from the savannas and grasslands of West and Central Africa, where they adapted to life in abandoned rodent burrows and termite mounds. The natural world holds so many wild animals with amazing survival skills. Desert ghost ball pythons are masters of concealment, using their patterned bodies to blend perfectly into their surroundings, making them virtually invisible to predators and prey alike. The desert ghost ball python gets its ghostly name from its unique genetic mutation that creates a hauntingly beautiful pale pattern that seems to glow in low light. This viral morph was discovered in 2005 and has become one of the most sought-after ball python varieties for educational reptile collections. Fun fact for kids: these pythons curl into tight balls when threatened, tucking their heads safely in the middle, which is how they earned their ball python name. In their African habitats, these pythons play critical ecological roles as both predators and prey. They help control rodent populations while serving as food for larger animals like monitor lizards and birds of prey. The places where desert ghost ball pythons live feature diverse landscapes of tall grasses, scattered trees, and underground retreats that provide shelter from the scorching African sun. These beautiful environments create the perfect playground for these mysterious reptiles. These non-venomous constrictors communicate through subtle body language and chemical signals. When desert ghost ball pythons detect a potential mate, they release special pheromones that can be sensed by other pythons from impressive distances. YouTube videos showing these behaviors have become learning opportunities for kids fascinated by reptile communication. Female ball pythons show remarkable maternal instincts, coiling around their eggs for weeks without eating, using muscle contractions to maintain perfect incubation temperatures. This family dedication is uncommon among reptiles and shows their surprising intelligence. Baby pythons hatch fully independent, born with all the hunting abilities they need to survive in the wild. Did you know that for centuries, ball pythons have held deep cultural significance in many West African communities? In some regions, they are considered symbols of good fortune and are protected by local traditions. Fun Animals for Kids brings you these stories to help understand how animals connect to human culture throughout the world. While these gentle snakes face threats from habitat loss and illegal collection for the pet trade, many conservation efforts are underway to protect wild ball python populations. For kids interested in animal conservation, learning about these efforts can inspire future wildlife protectors. As pets, desert ghost ball pythons are known for their docile nature and manageable size, rarely growing beyond 5 feet long. Their easy care requirements and fascinating behaviors make them excellent educational animals for kids learning about reptile responsibility. Thank you for joining us on this slithering adventure. To discover more amazing animals and their funny and surprising behaviors, subscribe to our channel Fun Animals for Kids for more video adventures into the wild world of animals.